Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup environment variables using Heroku config Vars, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your environment variables using Heroku config Vars, start by logging into your Heroku account. Open your terminal or command prompt. Make sure you have the Heroku CLI installed. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the Heroku website for instructions. Once the CLI is installed, type Heroku login in your terminal. Press enter, and a browser window will open for authentication. Complete the login process and return to your terminal. Next, navigate to your applications directory by using the cd command. Type cd your app name, replacing your app name with your specific application directory. Once inside the directory, run the command Heroku config s backup envvars. This command exports your current environment variables to a file named backupenvvars.txt. You can open this file in any text editor to review your saved config vars. To restore your environment variables from the backup, you'll need to prepare them in a specific format. Edit the backupenvvars.txt file to ensure each line follows the key equals value format. Next, use the command cat backupenvvars.txt zargs Heroku config set app your app name. Replace your app name with the actual name of your Heroku application. This command imports the config vars back into your app. If you have multiple apps, be sure to specify the appropriate app for each command. Lastly, always make sure to keep your backupenvvars.txt file secure to prevent unauthorized access. These steps will help you efficiently backup and restore your Heroku environment variables. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.